There is a theory that people are either left-brained or right-brained, meaning that one side of our brain is dominant and it determines the way we think and behave. The left brain is thought to be more verbal, analytical and logical. It's better at things like reading, writing and mathematics. It's sometimes called the digital brain. The right brain has a more visual and more creative way of thinking. It's connected to imagination, arts, rhythm and daydreaming. It's sometimes called the analog brain. We know the two sides of our brain are different, but does it necessarily follow that we have a dominant brain just as we have a dominant hand? Hemispheres of our brain are tied together by millions of nerve fibers. The question is, do they work together and complement each other, or do we only use one side of our brain at a time? People are not truly left-brained or right-brained. Whether you're working out a complicated equation or painting an abstract work of art, both sides of your brain are actively participating in providing input. Our brain is a marvelous and mysterious organ. It shapes our thoughts, personality, and behavior as a whole.